at us making new memories.
Together.
So hey everybody, how you been doing? I've been muted for this entire time. I'm excited to find this Kog'Maw. I was really hoping to get one of his best items as a Radiant, and I did, so this is great. I just need to find some protectors and I'm good. Excuse me, sorry, I had to mute there real quick. I was choking. The one thing I was saying though is that I always felt like he wanted Rageblade, but like the one up Shojin, and I don't really know why you wouldn't. They say to build double Archangels, obviously fun.
For tranquility.
Onto this. Hold on this, why not? Actually, I will level. Probably something here. Anyway, I'm gonna look up Kog'Maw because I feel like he would be better. Let me look up the actual stats rather than what people say. Rather than the Archangel. That's the kind of sort through all of them. Yeah, like Rageblade just does better. Obviously, if I had a Radiant. Okay, it does mildly better. Mildly better. Truthfully though, he like Flicker Blade and Radiant. And I was actually looking for Radiant Shojin, and I did not hit that, so what are you gonna do? I don't know, there's certain comps I want to play, but they're just bad. Right? They're just so bad. Like, I want to play full mech. And it's bad unless you hit, like, everything perfect. And this one, because I'm trying to lose them. Yeah, Rageblade would be great. So we're either going to get a sword or a bow off of this carousel if we can. We're last pick. Or belt. Sword, bow, belt. Those are all three highly desirable items. Not guaranteed. Neeko, fine. Sword, bow, belt. And Neeko. There goes the belt, there goes the bow, so sword, belt. What's gone? Belt. The belt. Hopefully get the belt. Why would you try? Why would you even try it? Okay, that's fine. I don't know what they're thinking about. They're just they're confessing them or something. That sucks. Maybe? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's great. I really should try to keep...
Victory awaits.
Don't have a... Oh my god, how... I can't beat that. Probably should have done scouting before leveled, but what are you gonna do? Alright, we should win that. For you, man. I guess you could actually go buy Kaisa. At the end of the... Imagine I had a boat. Honestly, I don't even think I needed to level. Hey, I'd rather guarantee it, quote unquote. Yes, I think that's where a challenger makes a good call, right? They look at the board, they go, I don't need to level for this one, don't need to level for this one, and I lose this one no matter what, so no point in leveling. That's what I could have done. Or hopefully we drop a bow and a sword here. Bow and sword would be nice. Okay, that's fine. I can use another one of those. That's perfect. I'm that now. And this is fine for something else, and then you get a Shojin. This will actually go frontline for Neeko. Alright. This is the guy I didn't think I beat, and he has leveled as well. Let's see if he's got a 2-star front line and a 3. He's got through and 3-star front line. Like I just can't get through that fast enough. I'm scaling, but I don't have enough defense here. That's the problem. Like so close. Like legitimately, if I had any 2-star front line. Wait a minute. Hold up. This is stupid. This is stupid that I win that. This is just so dumb. I should not have won that. Buried treasure. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, I know what we're doing. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I probably should have waited and gotten the sword first and then one. Yes. This is just funny though. This is gonna be funnier. He's gonna be moving much faster. Can I make myself stronger by my 32 is a lot. We're just gonna bump the levels here. We'll sack one. Do I think this makes me stronger? I do. Okay, now. Oh man, can you imagine that would have been... I think I like having the scaling ones. This is bonkers. This is bonkers. Yeah, this is gonna be GG. As long as I hit the 3-star, and who would contest me? Who would look at this and go, oh, I should troll? The good thing is, like, they would have to specifically contest this exact comp because Lulu's different pool. She has different pools. Okay. Here oh, now we can actually get. I don't think we're ready. Or I don't think we're ready specifically for the items yet. As soon as I chain vest, we'll go chain vest, and then any other AP items can go. One thing I'm annoyed is that I had to use the end sword, because that means I have a natural sword, so I will likely like. Are you kidding me? Like, that's the one thing that could probably destroy me. You're not yet, but like. Alright. The bummer is I still have a Cog 1, which is not like unexpected, but it's still a bummer. I even have 2 cogs yet, no care. Get a crit, or I'm gonna get a glove. Or no, chain vest. Chain vest is number 1. AP items are number 2. Chain. Take the sword. Take. We'll just have to hold on to this because it can either go AP or it can go front line. That's better. Do this. Do it. Get to that being in the front. Very few things. Actually probably unlikely to go back here. Then we gotta go 2 more protectors. He leveled 8 in roll? Probably. Nothing's really. And again, I mean, having this guy 3-starred, probably that is the win con. Singularity, like permanent health. Maybe I can get. I don't need that. In fact, maybe I do that. No. I really hate this item. Huh? Insane. Every now and then the game hands you kind of a free win, and this is nice. This is nice. The 2 radiant items. Now, I want a 3rd now. I don't know how I'm gonna get that. I'm not gonna get that, but it would be kind of cool. Do I want to... Yes? Just give me like... Oh my god, I cannot. I cannot. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. GG. I'm so happy by that.
It ain't a party without a fight. It ain't a party without a fight.
And keep rolling because I have the gold. Oh, I'm so annoyed I didn't pick it up. Thought I bought it. Like, not only I thought I did buy it. That's huge. Perfect. Alright, we're good now. Now we just gotta go 8 and get the vector out there. Insane. Just insane. Like, this is a free win. Lucky gloves could be nice. I'll just get belts. I'll get all the belts. Meh. I think this is fine. I don't think it matters. Like, I'm quibbling over like, ooh, is this more optimal or is that? It doesn't matter. Now we go 8. Yeah, I mean, that's like a win harder one. Just insane. Like, 3 radiant items. I've been waiting. Like, this is the thing that it's kind of annoying about this, right? It's not the end of the world, but like, sure, I get a free win this round, and I'm gonna get like, hopefully I get a first. I should be a first place right here, right? But what does it matter next round? Like, I have to start over. I mean, that's fair. That's fine. I wouldn't want it to carry over. I'm just saying it's kind of like, I gotta start over, and I'm gonna be like Emerald 3 maybe. I don't think I'm gonna be Emerald 3. I'm thinking like might be Emerald 4, ILP, and 4. I'm being a little silly here. Like, this is close to a free win, but if somebody does like hit a 3-star 4 cost or 5 cost, yeah, I'm done. So I need to be mindful of that. Okay. I mean, we either go for crit. Crit would be the thing I think we go for. I think we just do that. Go for crits so that we can try to make as many Thieves' Gloves as possible for everybody else. I did not realize I had this out there. I'm dumb. I'm just dumb. I do not need that. Okay. Guess I'll go for... Health's gone. I guess I'll go for the tier then. We'll do Archangels. We do Archangels? We do Archangels. Well, I'm sure anyone watching at home, you were like, dummy. Which I can say, yep. I think we move this because he gets defensive items by default.
For tranquility.
We need anti-heal. Matters, like I nothing matters anymore. Just an insane hit. Like I'm flabbergasted at this. This is just bonkers. I'm annoyed that I didn't pick that one Neeko up. I mean, honestly though, I forgot about that one item. I need to focus it quickly. Okay, good. Easy. There we go. Much free health. Yep, decent. Nice. Alright, let's see what we drop. Go Shojin. Maybe we just go Giant Slayer on her. It's not. Crit is nice. We can get another crit. That's good enough. I wonder if there's any Neekos out for the pool. I'm rolling pretty hard for something I'm not sure I can hit. There's 3 out of the pool. This is an insane comp. Cannot believe I just destroyed it. I mean, I can, but it's just, that's like ridiculous that they were able to like not die that quickly. All right, let's keep. Let me look. That was 3 back in the pool. There's 3 out of the pool. I think there's just those 3 now. There was like 6 out of the pool before, so I could have hit, but much harder. Come on. Easy. GG. This is gonna be my first Mr. 100 game. This just, look at this. Look at this guy. He's so happy. He's so happy. Getting a picture of him. Yeah, now I need to put him back so I don't lose.
One purpose. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Probably should be scouting just to make sure like nobody's trying to cheese me. I don't really know what they could do to cheese me. Maybe like a calling. I mean, you can't beat this. This is insane. I'm last pick, but what does this guy want? He wants that. He really wants this Varus. I won't be able to get him. We'll go for it though. Because I figured he... Plus it's 5 cost. Come on. Give me... me. Udamus. Now what? Definitely a Star Guardian. Sure, hold that. I mean, Verifane would be... I can't believe I keep forgetting to get an item for Neeko. 600 health, though. Pretty nice. Ari's not bad either, because she gets cast like right away. And you want this? Alright, let's see here. What do we got? This is dangerous. This is dangerous. I don't really want anything to get on over here. I can focus it maybe. Do I want that, or do I want to... Well, he's got 2 Radiant items too. I think maybe it's time to move away from there. See if this is better. My thought is that I can maybe ramp up on some of these lower people and then take out some of the other guys real quick. Burst them down. Looking like it's a pretty good idea. Yep. GG. Alright, we just want... Alright, this guy I have to be careful of. He's level 10. And what is he for? Pulling for Gwen. We gotta go front line. I think this is the one. Going for Gwen up here, I see. I don't want to go up a level, but we need to go in a minute. Star Guardian. Rell would be fine. Rell or Poppy. I saw a Poppy in the last shot, but I didn't want to go below 40. Yep, GG. Is it a double kill? Will this be a double kill? Let's go. First place. Oh my god, I haven't had one of these in forever. Thank you, TFT. Thank you, Mortdog. You've given me a wonderful first place. I will see you all next game.